Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com. In today's video, we're going to go through adjusting your device bids for success and changing your device targeting to make sure you're only going after the highest quality traffic sources and you're turning down traffic sources that are not converting or converting too high for you. So before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video if you can. And if you are looking for more in-depth Google Ads trainings, we have 1,000 videos on our channel and a bunch of courses and different kinds of things, lots of free training that you can check out. So there will be a link in the description for all that stuff. If you are a business owner and you want us to run your Google Ads campaigns for you, you can apply to work with us. There's a link in the description for that as well. All right, guys, so for today, we got a junk removal client, and this is over the last 30 days, which is March 28th to April 26th, data set that we're going to look at to make some device bid adjustments. So if we go into your Google Ads campaign, come down here to devices, you're going to see here we have 3 different traffic sources. We have computers, mobile phones, and tablets. So you can see we have some adjustments running already. Now, how this works, right? So you don't want to make any device bid adjustments until you have at least 50 clicks of data, okay? That's important because if you have 10, 15, 20 clicks, that's just not enough data to sift through to decide if something's working and something's not. So obviously this guy has 343 clicks, so we have plenty of stuff to work with here. Now his target CPA is about 50 bucks, so you can see we're coming in a bit high, but here's a great example of what we're going to do right now is we're going to just totally adjust this tablet traffic because he's way out of pocket for his target CPA on tablets. Now, before I get into how to adjust, if you want to increase your bid adjustments on different traffic sources here, there's one thing you have to know first, and that is it even worth it? Is there even room to adjust it to get more traffic, or are you just at the ceiling and you're going to increase your bid price and pay more for the same amount of traffic? Right? So how we do that is you go into columns and you add the column impression share top, which simply just means this is the percentage of the times your ads show in one of the top 4 spots at the top of Google's search results. So you can see here, 86% of the time our ads are showing in one of the 4 spots on mobile phones, 71% of the time on computers, and 87% of the time on tablets. So our ads are being shown a lot. What this number is also telling us is that we do have room to increase our bids to get more market share, more of that impression share, right? So that's how it's a runway. It's telling you have runway. You can increase your bids if you want to. So for these though, I'm not going to increase them because they're at my target CPA, my limit. I'm trying to get $50 leads and I'm at 53, which I'm okay with. That's fine. So I'm not going to adjust that bid because I don't want to pay higher per lead, even if I have room to run. So that's something to know as well, is know when to do nothing. I guess that's the lesson. So what we will do here, though, we're going to jack this bid way down on tablet. I'm not going to turn it off because if I can squeeze an extra lead a week out of it or lead a month out of it, I'm going to take it as long as it's affordable. So how we're going to do that is come over to the edit icon. We're going to go to decrease, and I'm going to drop this by 25%. Just because it's paying so much higher over my target. And that's how you're going to do that. So again, really simple. You're just going to edit these up or down based on your different factors, right? So the things you have to factor in when you're adjusting device bids: cost per conversion, and the impression share, and the conversion amount. Right? Because if you can get more leads, you want to get more leads. But you have to have runway to get more leads, and you have to have your cost per conversion be under what your target is, right? Because you don't want to pay, unless you want to pay more per lead. Some people do. It's up to you in the end. But for us, we have strict guidelines. We have to get these leads at a certain price, and we got to get them at a certain volume. So we have to. It's a balancing act for us to do all of this. For you guys, it could be easier. Could be harder, really depends. But that's how you do it. Really simple and really a powerful optimization tactic. You can do this on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. We usually do it on a weekly basis, especially with traffic this high. Sometimes bi-weekly, it depends. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video.